words using our short and long U sound spelling. I'm going to say it, you're going to listen, you're going to help me figure out those letter sounds. Let's go over the ones that we're going to use today. So we have C, N, E, T, U. That E though, we're not going to have E or E. It's going to be what? The silent E. All right. The first word is cut. Cut. A logger went into the woods and cut down some trees. What's that first sound we hear? K, k. C, O, U, T, T, T. Let's practice blending, right? Blend your vowel. So, k, cut, cut, cut. All right. Now I want to spell the word cute. In the pet store, there was a cute brown fluffy puppy I wanted to take home. How do we spell cute? K, C, U. We have long U. T, T. And to make that U long, what do we need to put at the end of it? Yeah, silent E. Let's make sure, let's blend, remember? So that E is going to be silent. It's going to make the U long. So letter sound. K, U, cute, cute, cute. Great. Ready? Let's switch it up. I'm going to add the letter M. And let's spell the word mute. Mute. My mother was talking to me, so I had to mute the TV. M, U. And it's long U, remember that. T, t. Yep. T. Mute. What needs to go at the end to make that U long? E. Let's blend. Ready? That E is going to be silent, and that U is going to be long. So, U, mute, mute, mute. Good job. Your next word. Let's spell uncut. You ready? When I went to the movie theater, I saw an uncut video. Uncut. What's that first letter? U. Un means to undo or not to do. It's called a prefix. It goes at the beginning. So uncut. K, k. C, O, U, T, T. Uncut. Let's break it up. Ready? Un. Because since it's a prefix, we can sound that out first. Now let's do our base word. Un. K, cut. 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 Put it together. Uncut. Good job. Now, let's go back. I muted the TV because my mother was talking to me. My mother has now finished talking to me, and I unmute it. Let's take it off. So, how do we spell that prefix? U, N. Mute. Mute. M. U. T, t. And then what goes at the end to make it silent? E. Let's blend to make sure we spelled it correctly. Remember, the E's silent, the U's long. Let's do our prefix first and then our base word. Un. Keep that in your head. Let's do our base word. U. Mute. 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 Let's put it together. Unmute. Great job spelling, guys.